Hello to everyone. Welcome to this series of the CAP Oasis, which is AI tools. And in this series, we are going to look how AI is working and different types of AI tools available in the market and how you can use these AI tools to make your daily life easy. Okay, so there are multiple tools available in the market and with the different sources, with different technologies and different theoretical mindsets. Okay, but in this series, we are going to look the one by one AI tools over there, how AI tools are working, how things are working, and everything is one to one by. Okay, so this is our first sessions about the introduction to AI tool, in which we going to cover how AI works and how we can deal with the AI worlds and knowing about some basic things to if we want to go on AI tools, that how AI is going to collect your data and all these things in this necessary part. Okay, so this is a one of the introduction lecture over there. So you will get an introduction to what is AI world, how AI is going to work, and the digital footprints and all these things. Okay, so this is just introduction lecture over there. In next lecture, we are going to take a look at syllabus over there, that what the different types of list of AI tools are available to us, and how can we deal with this AI tools and list, and all these things were available. How which tools we are going to learn in these sessions, what's about the new technologies and all these things one by one manner. Okay, so let's start to introduction to AI. So in this welcome sessions, we just know what is AI and how AI works. Okay, this is a motive, this like to introduce to AI, that what is AI and how AI works and what is digital footprints. Okay, so this is the most important lecture over there. So this is just a opening lecture, means we can say we just know gain a knowledge about the AI and the digital footprints. Okay, so let's start over there. So what we're going to learn in this lecture series, the first thing is understanding the AI. Okay, we're just going to take a brief understanding what is AI, how its AI work, what is the full form of AI. AI is stand for artificial intelligence, and we are going to take a look over there what is artificial intelligence and all these things. Okay, one by one, step by step. Now, second is AI world. What is AI world? Who says the AI world and how we are surrounded in this AI world? Okay, so how the AI is working in our day-to-day life to easy to our work and handling the things. Okay. Second thing is digital footprint. Okay, we are going to take a look on the digital footprint. Okay, it is one of the most important topic to understand what is digital footprint over there, because without digital footprints, the AI cannot read the data. Okay, because to generate AI models, we need a data over there, and how we going to generate a data, we are just going to look at it over there. Okay, then we have data and AI connections. Okay, how we do the data and AI connections, how these things are related, means how data is related to AI, why AI is important, why AI models are based on data. Okay, so we are just taking a look also over there. Then we take a different type of AI available. Okay, so what different types of AI available based on the models and different things. And we also take a look on the what is AI, what is generative AI. Okay, all these things. Then we have the real world examples. We just discussing about the real world examples, how this things works. Okay, so let's start with AI things. So what is AI? AI is a simple stand for artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence means a non-living things. Okay, which is artificially. Okay, means which is a human made things. Okay, human made things को इंटेलिजेंस देना, उसी को हम AI बोलते हैं. Suppose we have a we have a different things over there, like AI models we have in this. Okay, उसी को AI बोलते हैं. AI means simply to anything or to design any system with a programming language that they can think, learn and make decision. Okay, हमें इस तरीके से प्रोग्रामिंग करनी पड़ती है किसी भी मॉडल के लिए जो खुद के हिसाब से सोच सके, खुद लर्न कर सके और उसके ऊपर डिसीजन बना सके. ओके, सो दिस आर द की टर्म्स एनी एआई वर्क्स, व्हिच इज थिंकिंग. ओके, सो सोचना, लर्न, समझना और उसकी समझने के बाद उसके ऊपर डिसीजन लेना, ये हमारा सबसे पहले की टर्म्स होता है टू मेक एआई थिंक. ओके, सो थिंक एआई मीन्स जस्ट AI should be think, learn and make decision over there. Okay, that's we call AI, means artificial intelligence, means any human made things or any human made things which is artificially made, the things which can learn, make decision and learn from the environment, that is called AI. Okay, in simple words. Okay, so AI is this. Okay, are similar to human do Okay, this is in the way are similar to human do. It's okay in the similar way that what the humans were doing the work, it's just also do. Okay, you can take examples of over there, like generating our image. Okay, we can draw the image on based on our thinking. Similarly, the AI also have trained over the data and he can draw the images based on your thinking. Okay, so in this way you can take the AI also. Okay, so this is AI. Where we use this AI, we found in a Google search. Okay, search optimizations. Okay, this is a new term which is search optimizations where the AI used. Okay, then we have YouTube recommendation systems. Okay, means recommendation system means when the something you like and you watch again and again, then YouTube will recommended the same thing over the again and again. Means that the YouTube AI can understand this, means you have the key interest in this domain and it will again show you to also. And it's also used to viewers, means who have the honor of this video, they can also use these techniques to increase their likes and views over there by showing the videos to the user. Okay, in this work the AI works. Then we have chatbot. Okay, we have different types of chatbot available on the which have the integrated with the AI. Okay, means that the chatbot get intelligence over there, that they can think and answer over the questions as you ask. Okay, it's depend on various models, that if we have the things like one-to-one discussion with the chat box. If you you can see the examples over the on our websites also, who's selling the product, they have their own chatbot, they train the AI on their data. Okay, when you ask them, they will only answer to their product related queries. Okay, in this way we can build the AI models and AI agents to chats with the customers and to help to find out their queries. Okay, so this is a work also human doing in a previous sections. Okay, ये काम भी हम लोग कर रहे थे ह्यूमंस, जहाँ कि हम दिखा रहे थे कि हमारे पास ये प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है नाउ। क्या हुआ, अब एआई आ गया तो उनको यही डेटा उनको फीड कर दिया गया है और उसी कारण से वो उसी बेस पे आंसर भी दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज एआई. ओके, सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस ऑल्सो. Then we have the AI world around us. How we can around it. Okay, हम किस तरीके से AI के वर्ल्ड में घिरे हुए हैं, हम किस तरीके से अलग अलग AI डिवाइसेस को यूज कर रहे हैं हमारे डेली लाइफ में. ओके, सबसे पहला है स्मार्टफोन्स. वी यूजिंग द स्मार्टफोन्स इन अवर डेली लाइफ. ओके, सो AI वॉइस असिस्टेंट्स ओवर देयर लाइक Siri, Gemini and all these things. Instead of typing message, you can directly just tell to AI, just I was speaking, and just convert this message to in a text mode. So the AI can do. Okay, just in the smartphone we also be using the AI. Okay, then YouTube and Netflix recommendation systems. Okay, we have the YouTube and Netflix recommendation system. Means if you have likes to see the pictures related to one genre like comedy, rom-com, all these things, we genres are available. If you decide that I just want to see the pictures of the only comedy movie, okay, so then what will the if you select the genre, then Netflix or YouTube things will do what we do. They just only suggesting you the things which is related to comedy pictures. Okay, so in this way the user instead of searching anywhere, the Netflix do recommendations for you. Okay, so in this way the AI will work around us. Google Maps, we have a Google Maps with optimized way. Okay, using AI we can assisting the what the traffic over there, which route should we take, how to calculate the traffic condition fastly. Okay, which track will be suitable for us, looking the traffic conditions and all these things we are using also in a Google Map in this way. Then we have voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, similar tools. You can definitely, you can just ask them in a voice manner that just give a command that open a YouTube, just tell me about this thing, play these songs. All these voice assistants are available to do these things. Okay, then we have online shopping recommendation systems like Amazon, Flipkart. All they are using the AI to analyze your data. Okay, what we have do over there, you can just analyze and they will recommend the system that you were looking for. Okay, suppose the example we can take, suppose you are searching for any phone. Okay, and then you are searching for any phones, then what will do the AI, what the machines over there, they will analyze your data that you are looking for a phones, and they just recommending your ad on a phone, providing offers on these things. All these things were done by the AI. Means AI can your track your thinking, means what you are looking for the, and they use for their business purposes. Okay, so in this way we are using the AI tools to be a more smarter. Okay, so then we have up to we looks the how the AI works and how we are around the AI. Okay, so then next part is digital footprints. Okay, we are taking a look on digital footprint. What is digital footprints? How digital footprints is important. Okay, digital footprints in Hindi we can say पैरों के छापे. Okay, means like a हम जब भी किसी मिट्टी में चलते हैं तो हमारे पैरों के छापे बन जाते हैं. इसी तरीके से हम जब वर्ल्ड ऑफ डिजिटल मीन्स हम जब किसी नेटवर्क की दुनिया में चलते हैं तो हमारे भी छापे बनते हैं. ओके, मीन्स वी कैन से फुटप्रिंट. ओके, सो फुटप्रिंट डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट में क्या होता है? डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट इज सिंपली वर्ड्स व्हेन यू आर इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टेक. Okay, when you are in the world of digital or network world, so you will get tracked over there. Okay, your digital footprint will be generated over there if you want or not want. Okay, so it's not depending yet that you cannot I do not want to generate my footprint. It's not like that. If you want or not want, the digital footprint will be generated over there. And the most of the reason is to generating a data is digital footprint. Okay, all these AI models is work on just based on digital footprints things. Okay, so why digital footprints is matter? Now this question is arise. Okay, so let's answer these questions. Why digital footprint arrived? Okay, the concept of digital footprint why arrived? Okay, this arrived because now the peoples are shifting to their daily life culture to on the network. Okay, we are generating a data over the network for simple things like for searching or history. Okay, for searching any product, for searching any YouTube recommendation systems, means searching for any products like paint, pencil things, groceries and all these things. Okay, so how this thing works, when you visit any website links or anything, your IP addresses, okay, means your digital footprints will be generated over there. Means the system knows that you have searched for this thing. Okay, in this way the digital footprints are generated. Okay, means whenever you visit any website, anything, okay, your IP will be sent to that thing and the machines will know from which IP this request is come and what we have served to there. Okay, so in this way the data is generating in the network world, or we can say in the digital world, and based on this data all these AI models are working. Okay, simple. So digital footprint is a trial of a data you leave behind the whenever you use the internet or digital devices. Okay, simple meaning, whenever you use the internet or any digital devices, you just leaving your footprint over there. Okay, means just like a tracker over there. Once you go and like once you visit once you visit to YouTube, then YouTube have your data that you have visited our channel and you have seen these things on the YouTube. Okay, so that's why the history and all these parts were generated over there. So just like a footprint in a sand shows where you would walk, your digital footprint show your online activities. Okay, you can take this word online activities, means in simple word, when you walk on the digital world, your footprint is generated and shows the your online activities, and this online activities is work as a data for any AI model. Okay, so this is work as a data for any AI model. So in this way you can understand digital footprints and the importance of digital footprints in the world of AI. Okay, simple. So let's talk about these things, how this digital footprints works to doing the optimization like searching queries. Okay, how this is working, that if you are searching for any word, we get auto predicted over there. Okay, for if you're searching for any spellings or any some like designations you are searching, we just have to start a designation that automatically it will suggest that you are searching for a designation based on your previous history. Okay, so this is how this search queries works. Social media activities, it's also one of the thing which is going to generate a footprint. Okay, search queries also is going to generate your digital footprints. Okay, how? So when you search for any product, like you are searching for the shoes on a Flipkart, on Amazon, so it will just generating a query that this person needs a shoes and this all the things over the network. Okay, means over the he wants interested in this part. Okay, so then all the recommendation system is working on that things that we will suggest the best thing to that user that they can buy the things. Okay, in this way they use the in business models. Okay, then we have social medias. Okay, when you visit any watch any Instagrams or like comments and all these things, from there also data is generating. Okay, video watching. Okay, when you watching any videos over there over the internet on YouTube or any platform like Prime Videos, Netflix, and all these things over there. So all these are the based on your data. In this way, your data is generating shopping histories. We have multiple histories we have over there. Whenever means simple thing. Whenever you go into any digital world, you are just leaving your footprint over there, and you cannot erase it. Okay, it's simple. And this digital footprints is work as a data source for our any AI model. Okay, that's why the digital footprint is matter in the world of AI. So why digital footprint is important for AI? Okay, so why this matter? Okay, we also take the to generate the data, but how this data is working on AI models. Okay, let's understand this. How these things works. So to learn from user data. Okay, because anything which you are going to make a decision or thinking or learning from there, they needs a something a source. Okay, so for that source we need a something. So for the AI model, your digital footprint is working as a source in the form of data. So AI can learn from the user data. Okay, simple words means AI is just learning from our data. Okay, this is thing. Understanding your interest. Okay, you have to just understand your interest over there. So this is work as a AI also can understand what's the interest over there by using your digital footprint. Okay, improving recommendation systems. Okay, so with the involving new technologies and building a strong LLM models and use this data to improving the recommendation system. Means most recommendations, what exact recommendations you want, like this will done by using digital footprints. Making AI masters. Okay, we can make a AI masters over there. Each piece of data teaches AI something new. Okay, so this is the one line which is I'm going to move focus over here, which is each piece of data teach AI something new. Means when you generating a new data over there, new queries and all this thing, it will work as a teaching parts to AI, and something AI will going to new learning things from there. Okay, so over a time with a millions user footprint, AI will become a predictive and understanding human needs. Okay, means the AI will learn a different types of sources, different types of way of doing things that the AI can predict and understand the human needs. Okay, this is a one of the important part. Okay, how AI being smarter. Okay, so each information is work as something new for AI, and when we have the millions of user over the footprint generating, and the AI can easily do the predictions and understand the human needs, what the human needs over there. So this is one part. Okay, now let's understand some key components over there, which is AI. Okay, AI we understand. ML, most thing is ML and generative AI. Okay, this is most of the focus we are going to do. What is ML and what is generative AI? Okay, AI we have discovered all the things about the AI and digital footprints. Now we're going to take a look on a ML and generative AI. How this ML and generative AI works over there. So what is ML? ML is a stand for just machine learning. Okay, here is a theoretical part. Okay, you can just read from here also, but in briefly way I will going to describe over here. Okay, this is in my part. So AI ML is a stand for machine learning. Okay, what is machine learning now? Its word suggested machine learn means machine plus learning. Whenever any machine gets learns from any data, that is called machine learning. Okay, we call LLM models. Okay, means machine learning model, large language model we have over there. Okay, LLM. Okay, then we have machine learning. Machine learning is simple. Whenever any machines or any hardware devices or any artificial things get learned from any sources, that is called machine learning. Means to teach any machines from a data about anything, that is called the part of machine learning in simple way. Okay, we can take also example that किसी भी मशीन को हमें कुछ सिखाना है, जैसे उसको बताना है कि ये एप्पल है, ये पेड़ है, ये है, तो इसी प्रोसेस को जब हम मशीन को बताते हैं एक डेटा के हेल्प से, तो उसी को हम बोलते हैं मशीन लर्निंग. Okay, this is the most important part over there any AI have. Okay, every AI which is building, if you're building a generative AI, if you're building AI model, the machine learning is the most important part, because on this base of the coding programming only the machines can understand the data. Okay, we do not go into deep that how machines is going to learn and what the programming structure over there. It just overview. Machine learning part means it is a part of the AI. Okay, means we can assume that AI is a whole ecosystem over there, and machine learning is one of the key components over there. It's just like a brain of to AI. Okay, means whenever you get trained over there, so we have to learn the machine first. Okay, we have to first learn the machines. When the machine is learned, then it will going to answer the queries of the human needs and understanding the things. Okay, that's why this part is called machine learning. Machine learning means simply the machine can learn from their data. Okay, let's read this. What is ML is a specific type of AI that can learn from the data without being explicit program over every situation. Okay, means it have the programming over there, means you can use any programming language to build the machine learning models. Okay, so in this way we are doing, means simply we have some systems over there, rules over there defined, means we have the commands over there to learn the machines. Okay, so in this way the machine learning is work. Simply, in simple understanding way, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a one of the programmatical way where the machine will be learned based on the data. Okay, it's have some set of command over there where the machine is learning. Okay, then we take a look on generative AI. Okay, this is a one of the term. Now we are in the world of generative AI. What is generative AI? Okay, as word suggests, generative means kuch banana. Okay, something we have to create. Generative, okay, means the thing which is going to generate something. Or AI, artificial intelligence, means artificial intelligence now going to generate something for us. Okay, now where we are now in this part, we are in the world of generative AI, not in AI. Okay, this is the world of the AI where we have in the phase of generative AI, where the AI models are that much predictable that they can generate a data or generate a something when we give the command to them. Okay, now this is a part of generative AI. Okay, simple word and we can understand what is generative AI. Generative AI is one of the AI advanced phase over there in which the machines or artificial intelligence can generate based on their training. Okay, okay, so they generate a decision, they generate any image, they generate any text, they generate any lyrics, all these things available in a generative AI model. Okay, so we have take a look over there what is generative AI. Okay, generative AI means something AI will going to generate for us based on their thing. Okay, so in this works. Okay, this works. A simple, let's take an example how these things works. AI example, face unlock on mobile. Okay, we have face unlock systems over AI on a mobile. Your phone use AI recognition, your face unlock automatically. Okay, how this works? Okay, let's see the example. Means when you apply a security purpose, that you have applied that you upload your pictures over there, and it will going to recognize your face and analysis over there, and then automatically your phone get unlocked. Okay, in this work AI works. So how this system is work means, suppose let's go to paid to understand these things more clear, that how this systems works and how generative AI is working. Okay, let's take a look over there. So let's start. Okay, I will increase the size. Okay, so let's understand how these things are works. So suppose this is a data source for me. Okay, so suppose this is a one of data source for me. Okay, so I will write over here. This is just okay, it's okay. Let's try to again rewrite. Okay, so this is like a data source. Okay, this is like a data source for me. Okay, so just finish this thing over there. Okay, so this is like a data source for me. Okay, so what's things over there, this is like a data source for me. Okay, so now, okay, this is like a data source for me, and this is my phone. Okay, this is my phone, or we can say is this is thing over here, we have the database for the phone. Okay, we have the database for our phone. Okay, so let's understand over here. This is database. Okay, so this is our database for the phone. Okay, so this is a source and this is a database for our systems. And now let's take a look how these things are working. Okay, so this is a phone. So now what we'll do, the phone will generate a data. Okay, so phone is just working like a data source over here. Okay, the phone is going to generate a data over here. So phone is just working like a data, and this a source will going to store into the our database. Okay, then the role of the AI model is there. So let's assume this is one of your AI system. Okay, let's make this name as AI system. Okay, so this is AI, you can say AI. Okay, this is one of the AI system over here. Okay, so now the things are good to be go. Okay, so this is our phone will be generated data source, and data source will be going to save on these things. On this data, this AI model is going to turn, means learn. Okay, on this data, this AI model is going to learn. So what we have over there, that face recognition systems. So face recognition system, the phone is collecting a data. I will also mention here, it's just collecting a data from a user, collecting data. Okay, it just collecting a data from the user. Okay, it just collecting a data from the user, means what type of data, which it just creating let's taking an image from us. Okay, it's collecting an image from us and generate as a data source. Okay, it generate a data source, and this data source is going to save on a database. And now this AI system will going to assist that he will recognize the face. Okay, it have some programming over there that it can recognize a face over there. So we have the images, this camera will take a multiple images from our different types of angles and all these things, and then the system will be trained on this data. So when the system is trained, when another user is requesting for these systems, okay, now the it not going to data source, it just requesting to AI system to analyze the things that is this user is correct to unlock the phone. Once this thing is done, okay, when the system is analyzed that this user is correct, then definitely he will going to unlock their phone using this thing. Okay, so in this way the AI will flow over here. So this is a AI system which is used to analyze the face recognition systems. Okay, means when the phone is collecting, just take a one over here, when the phone is collecting a data from, it's generating a data source, and this data is going to save into the database. And we have the AI system over there which is going to analyze the different things, and after analyzing, just this thing is requesting to AI that just know that this thing is over there, means this person is correct one to log in or not. If this is correct, then just unlock the phone. If it is not, then showing the error that you are not the one of the person, or you cannot unlock this phone. So for this, assuming this is one of the artificial thing, okay, just understand, this is just the artificial thing. Okay, so this is just a artificial thing. Okay, we can see is non-living thing, non-living thing. Okay, it is just a non-living thing. Okay, this mobile is just a work as a hardware. It do not have any brain, any systems, or any feeling over there. Okay, but what the new thing is over there, or new thing is there, we have the AI system. What is new thing is there, we have the AI system over there. Okay, what the new thing, we have AI system over there. So we have the AI system over there which increase the thinking, which gives the minds to that hardware devices, that he can analyze the things and recognize the things, that this is a right person to log on or to unlock the phone. In this way our system is going to work. Okay, in simple way, in this way our system is going to work, means this is a non-living thing. Okay, assuming this is a non-living thing, and it get a brain using the AI. And how is AI going to brain, just it get a brain from the data. And how is data generated, data is generated using the data source which is only created by the user while using the phone. In this work, this whole AI system is going to work over there. So this is one of the example we can take over look over there, simply based on this machine learning, YouTube learning performance. Okay, okay, this is also YouTube learning preferences. Okay, you can once you search for any Python video, then you can see on your YouTube dashboards that all the recommendation related to your Python courses will be available on there. How the system is work, this system also work in the same way. Okay, this system also work in the same way. Assuming this is like a YouTube system, and when you search over there, you will generating a data source, and this data source is going to save on this database. On this database, that the system is going trained over there, and this AI will going to answer on your dashboard queries. Okay, in this way the system is work, and in this way the system is flow over there. Okay, so this is the part of examples. Okay, then what is generative AI? Now the thing is now over there, generative AI. Generative AI is a simple thing, okay, means which can generate anything. Okay, generative AI means a simple the AI which is going to generate a something over there. Okay, this is called generative AI. What's the real life example that you have? Recommendation systems, Google search, chatbots, online adverts, okay, means advertisements, logging, language transitions, okay, all these things are based on the real life example or generative AI part. Okay, this system also works in a generative AI also. Okay, same thing that you will this source is generated using the AI, means we are uploading the photo over internet, something like a trees and apples, and it get a train over there. Once it's trained, then this system is not now AI system. This is system is working as a generative AI system. This is working as a generative generative AI systems. Okay, now this is working as a generative AI systems over there, means he's just trained over this data. Okay, he just going to train over data, and when the user asks to generate a image, then this generator will generate and showcase again to your thing. Okay, it is one of the process that how generating AI is working over there. Okay, so this is a real life example over there. Okay, so in this way we're going to cover the all the topics which is necessary to begin this course in the world of AI. These topics are needed to just understand how AI is working, how which in world we are living, and how our data is used by AI to generate a thing. So in this lecture, we have covered that what is AI, what is digital footprints, what is ML processes, and what is generative AI, and how this data is working as the AI to generate things over there. So these are the parts over there we have studied about this world, and this is the basic information about the AI, and it is sufficient information that any who learning the AI tools, these are the things which will everyone knows. Okay, so this is the one part, and in second part we are just taking a look over there, which is prompt engineering. Okay, in next lecture we are going to take a prompt engineering, and if you have a doubt over there, you can just comment on this video. We are going to check out this and handling your doubt in this. Okay, thank you for guys for joining this meeting. Okay.